Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club, Avon Park, Florida. Check it out. Check it out.
Motor off.
Check out the fire booty. Fire booty. Alright, a little windy, but that's okay. Taking off into the wind. A right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Oh, I guess we had a flame out. Isn't that cool? That is just so very cool. All right, folks. Oh boy, what a jet.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
What a jet. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. It's really, really windy today. It really is.
Flaps up.
And of course it's a cross runway wind.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Well, those lights are cool, aren't they? Oh man, what a beautiful jet.
Take off flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. So you can tell when I'm not talking. Usually that means I'm awfully nervous. Folks, you ever had one of those days that, well, you're letting your nerves and letting it get to you, and every flight feels like you're going to crash? Well, whatever reason, today I'm just like I have no confidence today at all. And I don't know, just having a really tough time of it. I just don't have my head in the game, I guess. You know, come out here to relax and de-stress from my job, but for whatever reason I just can't seem to get my head in the game here. So I'm not trying to, you know, short y'all on a poor video or complain to you about my poor attitude or anything. I do enjoy this, but for whatever reason today, everything for me today is a struggle for some reason. All right, but we're going to keep trying.
Landing flaps.
But we're not going to we're going to leave our flaps down, leave our gear down. Well, we're gonna still a successful flight and not an okay landing. But the wind is one of the problems that is an actual problem. The wind keeps gusting, and it keeps gusting from different directions, so that's definitely a problem. But I think a little voice in my head is saying call it quits and go in. So, and I do have a storm coming, so I better run with it. Better be safe and sorry, and I've only got about 30 seconds left anyways. All right, folks, well, y'all have a good one. I do like that. I think oh my gosh, I forgot the name. K&N models, or K&N models, fire booty. Oh, I might be saying it wrong. K&N RC. Oh, I'm so sorry. One of my buddies sent me these afterburners out, and I forgot the name of it. I am so sorry. Well, I'm human. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will get the correct name, and it will be in the description of the video, and I'll have a little logo actually on the thumbnail. But those afterburners are awesome. They just simply take a zip tie on the end of the end runner, 70 and 80 millimeter, and this zip tie holds them on, and then they're powered by your battery's balance lead, and then you just Y into your throttle. That way you get that reaction every time you hit the throttle, so it doesn't eat off your come through your regular electrical channels anyway, so you don't have a problem with your retracts or signal or anything like that. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And sometimes listen to that little voice in your head that says call it quits, and you need to call it quits. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye.